What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the performance diff brace for the Hellcat that's going to be going on today. Absolutely fantastic. These are pretty heavy and pretty stout, actually. I don't know if anyone's ever really said that, but these are fantastic billet pieces. On the heavy side a little bit, but here's all the layout. It gives you Loctite, spacers for the cross member brace, all the bolts you need, and even instructions too. So this isn't going to be an instruction video, but I am going to put it on the Hellcat, show you guys what it looks like, and we're going to go over why do you need this diff brace on this Hellcat, or on your Hellcat for that matter, the Charger or the Challenger. So let's go ahead and get into it. So to do this, I actually just use a pair of race ramps. Got them off eBay for like 77 bucks. Not too bad. Put on the e-parking brake and there it is. That's where it's going to be installed on the diff. You just take all the bolts out, put this one up there, and then there's a cross member brace up there. That's where the other part's going to be. Pretty simple. So let's go ahead and throw it on there and then discuss why you need one of these and what could potentially happen to your Hellcat if you don't put one of these on here as well. All right, after many grueling hours, not really, took about 35 minutes total with a couple breaks in. There it is, it's in. The hardest part was getting the original bolts off. A lot of elbow grease, don't be afraid. Extensions and stuff like that definitely helped. This little breaker bar helped a little bit. There's not a lot of room, but you don't need a lot of room. You just need to get them started. But now I'm going to let it down, tighten everything up really well. Use the blue Loctite on the new fittings, the ones on the bottom here, and then the ones on the top, right there, and then of course that one there, Loctite on that as well, because the two original bolts, this one over here and the one over there, did not have Loctite from the factory, and of course the other ones didn't either, the ones that go into the main brace. But I decided to put Loctite on them so they don't back out as easily from vibration. So now I'm going to get this off, and we'll talk about why you need this. So what's the point of installing the performance diff brace? Well, it's to eliminate wheel hop. Wheel hop can put a lot of stress on our cars, or any cars as you're about to see, to the differential, and also definitely the rear axles. You could snap one with wheel hop. You can easily, with our Hellcats, snap the differential. So what is wheel hop? Well, I have a pretty good video. This is the worst wheel hop you'll ever see. Look at how the wheels are hopping in the back there. We'll play it one more time here. Look at that. So I'll give you a little bit of experience. Before I put the performance diff brace on, I was getting wheel hop at the track, and you could feel it. It's like you're going over bumps. You could feel that I was like, you feel the wheel hop in the cabin of the car, and it felt like the rear tires were literally doing that. It's because they were. And it's a very dangerous thing to do, to drive through that. You basically have to let off, let it cool down, and then try to, punch it again. It's very dangerous. And if you snap a diff, you might also snap the drive shaft, axles. It could be a catastrophic event. So this is why you want the performance diff brace, in order to minimize wheel hop. I don't have any wheel hop now with my current setup, but this is definitely a step in the right direction. You definitely need the performance diff brace. So let me know if you guys have installed this in the comment section down below. Smash that like button if you haven't done so already, and subscribe for more Hellcat and fast cars content. That's the boy Fitz, and I will see you guys in the next one.